Okay, here's how to pack 4 miners in one box. This box is 16 by 16 by 15. Just make sure the bottom is well reinforced with tape. Put some foam in the bottom. Put 2 miners in. Fill the gap in between the 2 miners with some cardboard. Put some cardboard on each of the sides. Then a nice piece of cardboard on top of that. And then take 2 more miners, and instead of putting them the same way, put them the other way. With the controller boards faced inwards. Put more material in between. One more nice piece of cardboard. And depending on how well the PSUs fit in, you can stand them up or lay them down. Nice and tight, so any remaining space is filled. You're going to be stacking multiple boxes on top. You don't want any sinking areas. You want it nice and flush so that the box doesn't cave in. So it's just perfect for 4 miners and 4 PSU. If you had slightly bigger boxes like 18-inch, then you might be able to fit a little bit more in there, like some spare fans or whatever else you might need. But the important part is to make sure everything is snug so that it won't scrape and shake and break. So this is how you can safely ship 4 miners and 4 PSU.